Chris has an awesome idea on how to tropically transform an everyday stool.
Man, we are saving money here, aren't we, Tracy? We are definitely saving money, and I'm excited about this. This is just an ordinary stool right here inside the church. And what we did is we took and we slit the paper towel tube right down the center here. And what we're going to do is we're going to just feed it right on. And after we build this up, it's going to be painted and look just like bamboo. Okay, we have our stools here that we wrapped in cardboard tubes, paper towel tubes. So we have some very thin rope here. What I'm going to have you guys do is basically just go through and just tie one little knot. That's all you have to do. And then there's no rhyme or reason to this or science. Then what you're going to do is just take your rope and just go back and forth, almost like an ace bandage, on your wrist. So just back and forth. Exactly. And then when you get a good X pattern going, and then you come around this side, and then back down, okay? And that way it's gonna look like the bamboo's all attached together. So what I want you to do is give me some rope here. This is just gonna be wrapped around and at each joint. That's all I want you to do, okay? Awesome.